Well, hello from Rancho Sierra Vista, Satwiwa, and this is in Thousand Oaks, California. So today I'm out here looking for one of my favorite colored birds, the Lazuli Buntings. And I'm here in the parking lot. It's already so much bird activity, as you can hopefully hear back here. It's really overcast, and I'm gonna be trying not to shoot up into the sky. It's like super contrasty. Hopefully we'll get some nice flowers back there to have a nice backdrop if we find them. So let's head on out. I didn't realize how scared I was of snakes. I just saw a huge rattlesnake going brush here. Man, I love watching snakes on TV. Now I'm hyper aware of every step I'm taking, because I literally would have stepped on that if I was just looking up. It was just laid across the trail. So phobia confirmed. I'd rather watch snakes on YouTube. I don't want to see one in person again. Huge. But I think we're almost at the area that I was going to be looking for the Lazuli Buntings. So gonna park myself somewhere here and watch and listen and watch for snakes. It's funny that I had been standing here for a while, but I could not find any of the Lazuli Buntings. And then I spotted a blue grosbeak up in the tree there. So I was kind of walking towards that, and then one of the Lazuli Buntings just landed right in front of me. So I took a few shots here, and it flew away back in the flowers there. That's kind of the shot I was looking for anyways, sitting in the yellow flowers. So I'm gonna try and locate it again and see if we can get some nice shots while it's in the yellow flowers back here. Okay, so I didn't really get the shot I was looking for. However, I did get some cool ones that I'm pretty happy with. Plus, I got to spend a lot of time out here in this beautiful park, just out in nature. So we'll see you next time. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Give me a thumbs up. Really helps the algorithm. And have a good one. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. I was passing by this tree and it looks like there might be an owl in here. So you can see the pellets and all the whitewash down here. whitewash. And all the fur pellets. That might be a project for another day.